Hi students, today we are going to see a topic from Unit 16 Microorganism. As you already know that there are 5 types of microorganism: virus, bacteria, fungi, algae and protozoa. So today we are going to see the type of microorganism is bacteria. Bacteria are single-celled prokaryotes. Prokaryotes means cell without a nucleus. These bacteria are the first living organism in Earth. The study about bacteria is called as a bacteriology. The size of the bacteria may vary from 2 to 5 micrometer. The ways of respiration in bacteria is divided into 2 types: aerobic and anaerobic. Aerobic means which involves the process of oxygen. Anaerobic means the respiration will take place without oxygen. Now we are going to see a cell structure of a bacterium. The bacterium has a protective covering called as a capsule. Inside it has a genetic material called as a nucleoid or a nucleus. The cell wall is used for the protection of internal cell organelle. The cytoplasm is covered by the cytoplasmic membrane. Cytoplasm is the blue space which is blue in color. The external hair-like projection is called as a pili. These pili are for the attachment to the host cell. A tail-like structure is present which is called as a flagella. This flagella is the locomotive organ of a bacteria which helps in the movement of the organism. The bacteria are divided based on the shape into 4 types: rod shape, comma shape, spiral shape and spherical shape. The rod shaped virus is called as a bacilli. Example: Bacillus anthracis. Vibrio shaped bacteria is comma shape. Example: Vibrio cholerae. Spiral shaped bacteria is Spirella. Example: Helicobacter pylori. And the spherical shaped bacteria is called as cocci. These are the shapes of bacteria: spherical shape, rod shape, comma shape and spiral shape. If the round shaped bacteria is single, it is named as a coccus. If the coccus is present in 2, then it is called as a diplococcus. When the cocci bacteria is arranged in the chain manner, then this type of bacteria is called as a streptococcus. When the cocci bacteria is attached in the form of a bunch, it is called as a staphylococcus bacteria. Based on the presence of flagella, the bacteria is divided into 5 types: atrichous, monotrichous, amphitrichous, peritrichous and lopotrichous. Atrichous means the bacteria has no flagella. Monotrichous means the bacteria bears single flagella. Amphitrichous means bacteria contains single flagella at both ends. The bacteria which has flagella all around itself is a peritrichous bacteria. Lopotrichous means the bacteria has a tuft of flagella at one end. Based on the habit of food, the bacteria is divided into three types: photosynthetic bacteria, chemosynthetic bacteria, and symbiotic bacteria. Photosynthetic bacteria are the bacteria which prepares their own food. Example: cyanobacteria. Chemosynthetic bacteria. These bacteria feed on the harmful chemical or harsh chemical, example ammonia and hydrogen sulfide. Symbiotic bacteria are the bacteria that lives in the human intestine, which helps in the absorption and digestion of food. Example E. coli. In this video, we have seen about the bacteria, the types of respiration that undergoes in bacteria, the cell structure of a bacteria, shapes of bacteria, types of flagellation in bacteria, and the habit of food in bacteria.